Welcome to AI Basics Hub. Imagine typing just a few words and watching an AI turn them into stunning digital art. No drawing skills, no design background, just creativity. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. Welcome to the AI Art Canvas. The AI Art Canvas is your personal digital studio. It uses generative AI to transform simple text prompts into unique visual masterpieces. Think of it as collaboration. You imagine, the AI creates. The best part? You can start for free. Beginner-friendly platforms like Stable Diffusion web interfaces, Playground AI, or Leonardo AI let anyone generate images instantly, no setup required. Paid tools unlock more control, higher resolution, advanced styles, and fine-tuned settings. But don't worry, everything you need to create amazing art starts with the free tools.
Let's break it down. This is your prompt box, where you describe your image. Here are basic settings like style or image size. And this is the magic button. Click Generate. Great AI art starts with clear prompts. Instead of a cat, try a futuristic cyberpunk cat, neon lights, cinematic lighting, ultra detailed. The more vivid your words, the better the result. Don't love the first result? Refine your prompt, regenerate, experiment. AI art is about iteration. Every version gets you closer to your vision. You don't need to be an artist to create art anymore. With the AI Art Canvas, creativity is accessible to everyone. Your imagination is the only limit.